Oh, patong mo na, patong mo na, patong mo na. Patong mo, patong mo. Oh, sayaw, sayaw, sayaw. Sayaw. Okay na, dali, dali, ano mo? Alisin mo na yan, ulit. Oh, dali, bigay mo yan, dali, bigay. Doon sa likod, sa likod.
Ayan, diba? Go, second layer, ate go. And then do the shake. Yes. Balik natin. Ate go faster. Alright guys, go boys, go. Go faster guys. Sige. Ayan, sige ate, ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Habol na, go. Alright, shake. Ayan. Sige, balik faster. Go. Ayan, dito, go. Alright, go, let's go. Go first. Again, 1, 2, go, guys, boys. Alright, balik tayo sa line, guys, go. Ayan, go, shake. Put it back at half, guys. Go, ready? Panarada, let's build here. Ready, go, let's build. Go. Ayan, ang bilis. And go faster, let's build. 1, 2. Here, and the second layer. Go. Alright, go. Shake. Put it back at half. Bring it to the next layer. Panarada, let's build. Go, makakilap pa, guys. Go faster, boys. Dito. Ayan, go faster.
Pagbalik ng baso, umadiinan.
Ayan, go, shake. Put it back at half. Bring it to the next layer. Let's build. Ayan, go faster. 1, 2. Moving faster, go. Ayan, second layer, kuya, go. Ayan, shake.
Shake.
Shake. Ayan, go. Ready, go. Dito, faster. Ilang player pa dito.
Last. Ah, pisa. Last na.
Alright guys, now here, let's shot. Happy birthday, Asu Jacob, and 3, 2, 1.
Oy, tapos na. Last ka.
Sige kuya, wait ka na. Go, let's do.
Finish na. Kyle, tapos na. Tapos na kayo.
Sige, ito mo na kuya. Ayan, sige, go, faster, 1, 2. I-pressure natin. Go, kuya, go, faster, go, let's go, faster. Alright, go, let's go, first layer, ready, go, second layer, kuya, go, faster, second layer. Alright, go. Sige, ganyan. Oo, shake. Ano, tubig, go, guys. Alright, ayan, wait lang, palpo ka naman po natin ang ating mga winner. Wait lang, guys, yung mga nawanalo natin. Nasa yung mga winner dito, yung mga winner, nasa nabalik tayo sila eh.
Oy,
Para mabigyan ng prizes ni Kuya Eddie. And then yung mga natalo, okay lang yan, may consolation prize din po tayo. Sige po, dito muna tayo.
pila.
Alright kids, dito yung mga winner dito muna tayo kay Kuya Eddie. Yan. Ayan yung mga natalo, okay lang yan, may consolation prize din.
Winner ka. Winner ka.
And wait lang, may isa tayong winner dito. Ayan. Bigyan na lang natin si Kuya.
Oy, ano yan to?
Ayun po tayo doon ng isa, no? Sige po. Ayan, thank you very much, guys. Alright, of course, hindi lang po yung mga kids natin na maglalaro ngayong araw. Pati yung mga adult din po. Ayan, next game tayo, guys. Dito next game natin, kailangan natin ng mga adult guys, no? 5 boys and 5 girls, guys. Volunteer na, let's play here. Yan, volunteer na po tayo dito sa harapan. 5 boys and 5 girls po, Daddy. Ayan, 5 boys and 5 girls.
Paano ba yan? Ako pipili. Sabi, mga kausap na sa cellphone.
Ayan, muna kayo mapipiling player niya.
Lima ba?
Apo, 5 boys and 5. Sa akin na yan. Sige po. Ayan, mami, ha? Ayan, sige. Alright, wait lang. Ngayon po, kailangan muna natin mamili ng leader sa harap. Yung magaling sumayaw. Ayan, yung magaling sumayaw. Yung magaling bumili. Sino? Sa si Kuya na daw. Ayan. Oo. Kuya, ikaw na lang, Kuya. Diyan ka na lang. Oo. Tapos sa girls. Ano, girls? Ano na? Sino? Ah? Ano? Ayan, si mami na. Oo, mami, ikaw na. Si ate, ayan, ikaw na lang. Okay na yan. Guys, basic lang daw, don't worry. Now, first game for the adult, that's what we call Wow Relay. Anyone na nakakaalam ng larong Wow Relay? May nakakaalam na ba? Ayan, okay lang yan, turo na lang natin. Madali lang daw, guys. Ganito lang siya. First step tayo. Mami, first step. Iikot lang po my chair, no? You need to turn around. Ikot po muna tayo. Ganyan, ayan. Next step, taas ng paa, ganito. Ayan, and then next step, mami, you need to spell, wow, that. Ganito lang siya. Spell tayo, ready, kuya, spell. W-O-W, tuldok. Basic. Diba? Ready lang. Ayan guys, now here, after you can spell, wow, that, atras lang. Atras lang tayo para kuha ng next player, atras. Next player dito, ate, dito. Ayan, sige po. And then dito together, kailangan mabilis na. Ayan, dito. Kailangan mabilis tayo. Ayan, sige po, ganun lang. Wait lang, ang magtataas lang po ng paa, yung nasa harapan lang po. Yung nasa likuran, sasabay lang tayo sa spell. Ayan. Ay, mami, ay, kuya, dito, sabay tayo sa spell dito, kuya. Sabay ka sa spell. Ready, spell? Hindi sumasabay si Kuya. Sabay tayo. Ready, spell, guys? W-O-W, tuldok. Ganun lang po siya. Hanggang matapos po, ang mga player na rin, basic, diba? Kuya, kaya spell, no? Wow tayo, tapos tatlong tuldok, no? Wait lang, kailangan... Ay, guys, ganito, no? Palitan natin si ate. Ate, palitan nga natin sa last player kasi magjowa daw. Opo, sige, palitan natin. Sino last player dyan? Baka magpatalo si sir. Ayan, si ate na lang. Ano, kanina ikaw sa harap dapat, kaya ikaw na sa likod, ate. Ayan guys, tayo po yung last player, no? Paano po ba natin malalaman kung tapos na po yung team natin? Ganito. Kailangan lang po natin gawin ang magic word na. Paano po ba yung magic word? Ayan, kailangan po natin gawin ang magic word na Happy Birthday, Ashton! Na follower, ayan. Kaya mo yan, ate. Basic, kailangan natin na sample. Sige, basic lang yan dito. Wait lang, sample tayo. Sa girls muna. Happy Birthday, Ashton, ate lower, no? Right.
Happy birthday, Ashton!
Ayan, ganun lang. Ayan. O kaya Jacob, no? Ikaw, ano naman? Ayan, natin. Ready? And 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Ashton!
Hindi ramdam. Ulit. Hindi, kailangan. With feelings. Ready? Ate, ready? One more. With feelings. Ready? And
Birthday,
wait.
Ashton.
Wait lang. Wala pa. Magbibilang ako. Wait lang. Ready? And 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Ashton!
Ayun. Palapakalan naman po natin ang ating team.
Mas lower naman sa boys.
Ayan, boys. Kuya, lower pa, no? Ready? Lower mo. Ready? And 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday, Ashton!
Ayun, kuya. Ayan, guys. Balik na tayo sa line. Thank you very much. One relay. Ready and playing. One relay and 3, 2, 1. Oh, so wala pang go. Wala pang go. Wait lang. Ready and 3, 2. Ayan. Ready and 3, 2, 1. And go. Practice muna. Ayan, practice muna. Makamami ka. Ay, wala ka. Kumanta ka, wala. Okay, practice ko yan. Ay, wait lang. Practice lang. Dali lang ako matanggal. Ayan, kuha na natin ngayon, guys.
Yung sasayaw ba, yung harap na?
Roll relay and 3, 2, 1, and go. Ikot na. Ikot na. Let's go. Okay lang yan. Good yan, guys.
Blow mo yung candle dito. Blow mo yung mga candle nila. Lahat. Oh, wait. Ayan, one more. Ayan. 3. And then 4, 5, 6, 7. Ayan, uli pala po ka naman pulit natin ang ating mga 7 category. Ayan, si Mami. Alright.
Happy birthday, AJ. Okay, this is for you. And yes. Okay, I wish you all the best in whatever journey you will take. And of course, always be a blessing to everyone, especially to your parents, okay? And always be a good boy. I love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Ayan, let's take a picture. Ready? Ready, and 1, 2, 3, smile. May I call me Sheila Nunag? Ayan, kaya ano Sheila ka? AJ.
for 7 years, your mom has been using me to scare you. So, ang wish ko sa'yo, I told your parents already. So, you know what to do. So, I don't wanna give you money kasi definitely mapupunta kay mommy. So,
Video pa rin to?
Alright guys, get ready, smile tayo. Ready? And 1, 2, 3.
Kulang pa.
Ayan. Ayan, may isa pa. Ayan si sir.
Represent na lang.
Alright, ready guys? And 1, 2, 3, smile guys. One more, 1, 2, 3. Ayan, thank you very much for our 7th treasure. Alright, now let's proceed for our lanterns. Ayan, dito na tayo for sa ating mga 7 blue bills. Ayan. Alright guys, 7 blue bills na po tayo na. Dito po muna tayo ulit. Alright, now my request for first and 7 blue bills. Justin. Ayan, si Kuya Justin. Sorry, kala ko si...
Kinuya
Akala
ka?
ko Kuya Justin. Ayan, ready ate?
Happy birthday, AJ. Sana lumaki kang nagtatagalog. Ang hirap kong kausap. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Let's take a picture first, ate. Ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3. Ayan, thank you very much. And may I call Sir Kenneth Gatu?
Hi, Jay. Happy birthday. It's been so amazing watching you grow up from a little one to the awesome smart kid you are today. And yun lang, sana yun nga, matuto kang mag-Tagalog. Kasi nahirapan kang mag-uusap sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Alright, let's take a picture daw po. Alright, ready? Ready in 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Alright, next. For 7 bubbles natin kay Noel David. Ayan. Alright, Ninong Noel daw po. Alright.
Ito, di ba?
Birthday,